if you haven't heard, Meta, also known as Instagram and Facebook, are essentially adding AI bots to the platform officially. You know how if you're playing a game of Fortnite, you're playing Fortnite Battle Royale, Zero Build, whatever, you're playing non-ranked publics, and a lot of the enemies are AI bot characters? That's apparently what is going to happen to Instagram and Facebook. We already have no clue how many people we're interacting with daily online, how many people are like liking or commenting on your random posts who are actually human. Like, we don't even know if this is already happening. It is, and to what degree, right? But now it's going to be official, apparently. So let's take a look and see across the chaos of Twitter what's happening. Meta AI users navigating the new reality of the dead internet theory. So yeah, everyone, we're just going to be talking to bots 24/7. We're not even going to be talking to or dealing with real people anymore. Everything's just fake. So yay. Meta has announced plans to introduce AI-generated users on Instagram and Facebook, sparking discussions about the dead internet theory. This theory suggests that the internet is increasingly dominated by bots and automated content, reducing genuine human interaction. If you have ever seen a company like YouTube, I don't know, Facebook, Instagram, if you've ever seen a public company's support page on a social media, 90% of the time, 95% of the time, that page is spitting out automated messages to anyone replying saying, I need help on YouTube. My YouTube was hacked, or like my Facebook, my Instagram has been hacked. I need help. Almost all the time, it's a bot spitting out an automated message. You're not even talking to a human. And whew, that's insane. Free coated gork and ribbon roll. Hell yeah. So that's the current reality, it looks like, of the internet. Many users express concerns that this initiative by Meta could further erode the authenticity of online engagement, like it's not already a mess, potentially leading to an internet where artificial presence overshadows real human connections. I mean, there's already the theory that like a ton of everything is botted. Like, what is it? Like streams, comments, likes, retweets, shares. There's already the theory that like most of that's already botted. So like, is it going to be more bots sharing things, but like officially by Instagram? How is that going to work? I don't understand how that makes any sense. Are people going to start following straight up fully AI Instagram, Facebook created pages that have no actual human interaction on it, and it's just bots liking I don't know, man. This is so confusingly annoying, and it's not going to be fun. It's just going to be like bots retweeting bots. Everything's already like a bot or someone retweeting and just copy pasting, right? No longer dead internet theory. It's just dead internet. Meta confirms that they plan to add it, right? Let's take a look at the article. I will try to link this in the comment section, in the description, because this is a pretty interesting thing. It's like cookies, Meta, yeah, okay. A priority for Meta over the next 2 years was to make its apps more entertaining and engaging, and apparently a lot of that will include AI. We expect these AIs to actually over time exist on our platform, kind of in the same way that accounts do. They think this and other AI products they're rolling out will help attract and entertain a younger audience. Oh yeah, they're actually making fake AI people that they're gaslighting everyone into thinking real people online, but it's an AI. Examples of AI generated profile. Brian, this one gives relationship advice. Oh no. It doesn't say it's, oh there it goes, page AI. So it will at least indicate that it's an AI, but man, that's so messed up. Because like, here's the thing, the only way you'd ever know this is AI is if you click on the profile, you click and look to this tiny little thing that says page AI. That is the only way. Because if you just see this come across, it doesn't say it's AI anywhere. So if you just see this shit on your feed and you give this nice friendly looking dude Brian a follow, and then you're like, wait, it's an AI, you're just getting gaslit into thinking you're dealing with real people. That's insane, dude. That's so messed up. With their new tools, users will be able to create these AI profiles. 100K plus. Wait, users have already been created, but creators have kept most of them private. Meta's rules state that AI generated content should be labeled on its platform. What? So it's AI generated. So what? Is it like you throw an AI prompt into that character or like that Instagram page since you created it and it just posts something based on that? I don't know, man. This is so goofy. I'm a little surprised that AI's gotten to the point where no one's gonna be dealing with people anymore. We're gonna get to the point where, oh dude, this is getting like so dystopian. We're gonna get to the point where Matrix is real. We're all just like jacked into our internet pods with like breathing tubes and like feeding tubes. And we're just like out of reality for a whole month just dealing with AI, VR, alt reality stuff. Give it like 20, 30 years, okay? We gotta get real dystopian. We're just getting to the AI, we're never dealing with people part of the dystopian reality of the future. We gotta deal with like everyone's knocked out and in a fake reality, okay? We're getting there, but whew, hearing dead internet theory, everyone's like, oh no. Like everyone's freaking out. Everyone's like, dead internet theory, realizing your 7-month talking stage is with a bot. Oh my god, yeah. Imagine how many people are gonna get gaslit into man, that's rough. That's rough. Maybe don't overinvest into only text conversations and eventually have a nice in-person video chat. I don't know, but even video chat AIs are getting pretty advanced. Maybe we're just cursed. Dead internet theory, it's finally here. Everyone's like, no one's real. Oh my god. Internet's cooked, it was fun. But why? But why? Everyone just wants everything to be false. Nothing's real anymore. Dead internet went from a conspiracy theory in 2017 to just, they're doing it openly on their own platforms, dude. Dead internet. Everyone's like, dead internet theory. Hey, dead internet theory. It's happening, man. What's up? So, that right now is the current state of the internet. Everything's a bot, nothing's real. Am I even real? Like, did I bite myself or did I just bite bits? Bites? We might never know. Did I take a bite of the bites? We just don't know. So, Financial Times reports, everyone's like freaking out about this, but we also have to think about this. How many pages are already fully just created and made primarily based on AI or just all AI? How many profiles are already created and made based on just retweeting or reposting the same old bullshit based on them Googling it and then reposting it? Like, there are so many businesses based around doing that exact thing on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, right? You go online right now, start a positive vibes nature or happy corgi positive vibes and dogs and just post happy cute dogs and corgis, repost all of them, steal them from like any random page, right? And then make them with AI. There's already millions, billions maybe of dollars being made for people just doing that exact thing. So it's already happening. The dead internet theory has been a real thing for a long time. You can see it in comment sections, how many people start replying and it just ends up looking like an AI, or it's just a company that is just spam posting. There are like huge reply guy Twitter profiles, Facebook, Instagram. There are profiles that are based around replying to every single post they see, and there are multiple people running those accounts. Like, a lot of this is already happening. A lot of the internet is just fake. A lot of people have their managers dealing with their main social medias when you get to a certain point, right? Like tons of famous content creators and tons of famous musicians, artists, etc. and so forth. If you're ever talking to them on their like social media, you're talking to like one of their interns or one of their social media managers type of deal. So many people, that's already a thing. So I think this is just cementing in the fact that real life is less real. Okay, everything is slowly becoming less real and more of just like AI, fake metaverse, I guess. There we go. We're in the meta, boy. Meta confirms it'll add tons of AI generated content on platforms. God damn. If I start posting hardcore AI content for a month, everybody, it's probably an experiment. I'm very curious to see how many people even give a shit about AI content, right? Is it just primarily people saying they really don't like AI content, but they really don't care? Is it just like a large vocal minority that hates AI content? I'm very curious because like this is chaotic. I've always thought like AI content's kind of whatever. You always generally can tell, because a lot of it has that certain sheen vibe. It has like a filter kind of look to it, but like, holy crap. No, the dead internet theory is 100% true at this point. It has been for many years, okay? Like, in 2017, it was more of a meme. It was still true, but it was more of a meme. But it's been true as hell since probably 2019, right? Like, half the time, you're dealing with people online, you're not dealing with people. Most websites, when you're getting customer service, most websites, when you're trying to resolve something, you're talking to a bot. So it's like, everything's already cursed. Everyone's pissed off. Nobody's seemingly happy. But I'm really curious. Is this just people saying they're pissed off and unhappy, or is this people actually annoyed? I don't know, man. It's hard to tell. It's always hard to tell. Because, like, in theory, companies have been making so much money off of AI right now that, like, maybe a lot of people are saying they hate AI, right? But in reality, they're interacting with it constantly and using it constantly, but they just, like, they're putting up a farce. I have no clue. But clearly, people getting angry right now, I don't know if they're winning or losing the fight, because companies are only going harder into AI. And I don't think, like, the generality of AI is awful or anything. It's just seemingly like generative AI is just kind of garbage, because it's just making things based off things that are already out there. So it's essentially, it's skipping or adding an extra step to those repost accounts that I was talking about earlier, that just, like, keep reposting the same old famous photos of, like, the Mona Lisa, oh, famous photo meme of this, oh, this famous dog picture, right? It's like when one of my posts went viral, one of my random TikToks of my corgi went viral when he was, like, a little babby. He got reposted and, like, reshared, and then I just saw my corgi on random pages for the next week or two. Like, it's just the same thing, but with AI. So I think the internet's already been cooked, and now it's just going to be even more cooked, right? Like, we're just cooking with fucking uranium right now. It's rough. But, like, it's been rough for a long time. People are watching so much more AI generated content. I think a lot of kids' content is, like, trashed here on YouTube and, like, straight AI garbo. Oh, but is it only gonna get worse? Hell yeah, brother. It's only getting worse. Everyone's still annoyed, and there's nothing we can do to stop it. Because you want to know something? Everyone's angry about AI, but no one's not using the social media platforms that are all using AI. Every single one of the social media platforms are going hard into AI, and guess what? Everyone's still using them. So everyone's getting mad about AI on a platform that we're paying money to use and have and fund an AI, right? Like, yeah, I don't know. Like I said, it's not that AI is bad. People are mad at generative AI, but, like, people are getting mad who are, like, fully using all of the AI features, and it's hard to tell if it's just performative rage at this point, because, man, is the fight against AI not fucking working clearly. I don't know. Curious what people are thinking, but it's a mess out here. Nothing's real, everything's fake. Chaos, 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 everything. Skibbity Toilet is AI generated. My God, will we ever survive? Either way, sub, like, check out the socials. Epic Games creator code Pupsker. I'm gonna go play and talk about Warframe. Cheers.